In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly install and run Llama 2 models on Google Cloud Platform. And when I say Llama 2 model, it also includes the Code Llama. In order to install and run it, go to kaggle.com, which is an AI platform which was acquired by Google. And if you don't know what Kaggle is, I have another video on my channel about Kaggle, which you can see it's very easy to use. So go to Kaggle, create your free account, which could be your Gmail or any other email address. And once you log in, click on the models on the left hand side, then search for the model you want to install. For instance, in our case, we want to go with Llama 2 model, so search for Llama. So you can see we have Llama 2, we have Code Llama, and various other models too. Let's click on Llama 2 model, and this is Llama 2 models card here, where you can read detail about it. Now, there are two ways you can deploy it on Google. You can either open it in new notebook or you can open it in the Vertex AI. Vertex AI is a managed service from Google Cloud Platform for generative AI. So let's open in Vertex AI. Click on Open Vertex, and then it will open it in the Google Cloud Platform. So this is the console for Vertex AI, where you can start using it. Model, it has opened the console in the model garden. Model garden is simply a collection of models which you can use with Vertex AI. First step you need to do in order to use Llama 2 is to accept the license. So click here, I have read and accepted, and then all you need to do is to click on this deploy button, and it will deploy the Llama 2 model in your Vertex AI. Now, beware that this is not cheap to run if you are trying to run it for extended period of time, and also make sure that you are using the correct Llama 2 size. It is available in three variants: 7 billion, 13 billion, and 70 billion parameter. And also there are some pre-trained and fine-tuned versions too. Now, you just need to select as per your own use case, and it also gives you some of the guidance as how you can use it. And then this is the command which you can use in gsutil to download this model and use it with the Vertex AI. And it is also giving you some sort of power consumption which is needed and how many GPU hours would you need. And then there is some training data set. Okay, so this is it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Again, once you are done, please make sure to delete it. Otherwise, you could get a bill shock. Anyway, so this is as easy as a single click deployment of Llama 2 model or any model for that matter. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.